everyone, it's Erin Floda here today, and I am here to show you some of the new releases and to show you how to use this new A5 bullet journal size guide stencil. So, as usual, my husband is doing a giveaway for his personal patron items that he received in the previous month, so in the month of August. This was the kit that went out. And he is a platinum tier patron, which means he gets a 5-page bullet journal kit, a script page, and an art sticker sheet, as well as a stencil. So all of that is $20. If you are a $5 patron, you receive the script stickers. If you are a $10 patron, you receive both of the mini sheets. And if you are a $20 patron, you receive all the above. So that's how the tiers work. He is sorry that he can't do this video today. We're having a bit of a crazy week because we are picking up a new dog. So I'm really excited about it, but that means that life has been very, very crazy this week. So I'm gonna go over the patron kit that will be in the giveaway, which the link for the giveaway is down below. And then I will show you how to use this bullet journal size guide. So I guess first, obviously, this is the stencil that is going out. So basically how this bullet journal size guide works is it shows you how many squares in an A5 journal and what that can give you. So if you have 19 squares, you can get 2 boxes down. Again, I will show this a little bit more in depth in a second, but you can see that that is 19 squares worth, and that is 19 squares worth, and then there's space in the middle. I'll go over in a second. And then we have this self-care style script page. We have PJs all day, me time, lazy day, mental health day, and Netflix binge. We have the dumpster fire stickers. This comes after, obviously, I had a holographic sticker release for the 2020 dumpster fires, and a lot of people asked for a sticker sheet out of them. So I have some dumpster fire stickers up here, and then you have some scripts, dumpster fire, everything is fine, it's fine, it's fine. If you've been around this channel, you know that when I screw up, I say it's fine, it's fine, it's fine all the time. And some of my patrons pointed that out, and I really appreciated that they knew that. So now we have the Ghost Town kit. This actually came with another kit, but it is a patron exclusive. It was this Gems 3-page kit. So I do very exclusive things for my patrons when we reach tiers. We reach the $750 mark. So I gave them a 3-page gems kit as well, but I will not be doing that as a giveaway. I am only giving away the Ghost Town kit for this one. So we have the main headers page. So this is a very like rustic, fall vibes, definitely more of a rundown rural area type of feeling. Kind of a little creepy with a lot of these gravestones, things like that. So we have all of the main headers on this page. We have the weekly header, so you get 5 days worth of Monday through Sunday stickers. And then I also added some to-do stickers in here. We have the deco page, so we have some graveyard, we have a creepy tree, we have some more graveyard, we have pumpkins, and then we have a lot of like the rundown cars and barns and things like that. And then this cute little bicycle that I really loved. And as you can see, some of the spokes on the wheel are not going so great. So this is the decorative art for this sheet. We have the 4 banners, and then we have 3 mini washi strips. These are great for your different headers. If none of these are applicable for you for whatever reason, that's why I include some extra decorative art banners as well. And then this sheet is a patron exclusive, so this will not be available in the new releases. But we have these date dots up here. We have some this week, to do, and task banners, as well as priority, some extra deco, and an extra washi strip as well. So this will only be given out to patrons. However, as part of the new releases, there are some add-on items that you can also get. So we have the large washi strips, and you can see size comparison. It provides most of that page. If you want to break it up into 2 pages, whatever, these large style washi strips. And then we have the 2020 gravestones, which I find hilarious, and I got some help when it came to picking different rest in peace, different motifs that went on the gravestones. So we have wear a damn mask, 2020 cause of death, stupid people, wear your damn mask. Rest in peace Lysol, when we were all missing Lysol. Rest in peace sourdough starters number 1 through 5. I see you, all of you people that made so many different sourdough starters because they couldn't get it right. So I wanted to include a gravestone for that. Rest in peace my pant size. I don't know about any of you, but it's not going hot. Rest in peace toilet paper. Before we knew it, you were just gone. 2020, rest in perpetual hell. Rest in peace, 2020, you are the weakest link, goodbye. 2020, honestly, we're fine with it that you've died. Rest in peace, 2020, we wish we didn't know thee. Rest in peace, murder hornets, for people that remember that's a thing. And then rest in peace, January 1st through December 31st, 2020. So those are fun. That's an add-on that you can get for the kit as well. That's not going to be given in the giveaway, just this is. But I wanted to show you some of the things that are the new releases that are coming out at 2 p.m. today. So they're already up. They're both on my website and on Etsy. So in addition to all those things that are getting added, I also have this coffee script sticker. So we have morning coffee, morning buzz, coffee Monday, coffee espresso, extra shot kind of day, and then a couple more coffee, morning buzz, and morning coffees scripts as well. So that's all I have for you for this release. It was very busy because I had designed 2 different kits this month for all of my patrons. So I did not have a lot of extra time to create a lot of new items, but I'm really excited for the releases that will be coming out in September. So stay tuned for that. Okay, with all that being said, let's get into how we use this size guide. So this stencil is meant to be used with a pencil. It's not really meant to make your boxes and your layouts, but it's really helpful when it comes to like marking things. So if I wanted to do if I wanted to do my regular weekly layout, for example, where you have 4 boxes across the top, 4 boxes across the bottom, you can see that this measures out 19 squares. So if you look at the top and the bottom, you can see that it shows you exactly where the 19 squares are, and that helps you figure out where the middle of the page is. The same can be done across. So we have 2 boxes across for 13. I like to line it up with the bottom, especially because this is a little bit more flimsy. So I like to line it up with the bottom side of the stencil. And you can see that this gives me exactly 13 spaces across. So you can use this to make your layout if you want. I really use it as a reference guide, and that's why I'm using a lot of pencil. So you can see that this is the halfway mark for this one. So halfway, and this can help you build the structure of your weekly. If you want to do a bingo page and you want 5 boxes or 5 squares and you want 5 squares across, so you can do the bingo. If I remember correctly, I think you leave 1 in there. And the reason I made it so it's not just like a small line, is so that you can do little tick boxes as well to help build your structure. So you can go up and down and then go across. That way you know where your different 5 marks goes. So you don't have to count over and over again. The whole point of this, in my eyes, is to avoid counting. I don't know about you, but it's very annoying counting over and over and over and over again. So say you want to do a bingo. For example, like my self-care bingo, then we have the 5 squares makes 5 spaces across, makes 5 boxes across. And you can do the same thing going down for 5 boxes. This would give you 7 boxes down, but you don't have to. Obviously, you can do whatever you want. So if I just want 5 boxes down, then I make my little ticks like this. And this just makes it easier so you don't have to count. Again, my whole point of doing this was to not count anymore. I'm so tired of counting the same boxes over and over again. And I thought that this style size guide might be, it's easy to put away into the back of your journal if it's in any sort of pocket, things like that. But this gives you a lot more freedom in figuring out how you want to make your own layout, if that makes sense. So you can also use this as a ruler once you figure out all your spaces. So that's why this side is a little bit thicker than this side, just so that you can use it as a ruler as well. So that's the basic gist of it. I hope that this video is helpful. There's a lot, I mean, with this, the possibilities are pretty much endless. If you have 3 squares, you can get 8 boxes across. It's up to you how you want to do it. So for example, if I want to do the weather, 3 boxes across would give me 3 squares would give me 8 boxes across. So there's 7 days of the week. So 3 would work out the best, because if you go up to 4, then you only get 5 boxes across, and that's not enough for the weather. So it's things like that that can help you figure out how to build your own spread and how to use it. Now with some of these, you kind of have to figure out your own layouts. For example, when I know that it's 8 squares is 3 boxes across, that means you're going to have some leftover squares. So what I do is I put a space in between these. Like this. And then you can see I have 3 columns, or you can leave the columns on the outside because you have 2 extra spaces. So if you leave the 2 columns on the outside, then you can make 3 columns like this. So there's a lot of different ways you can make it, and that's why I wanted to make sure I wasn't really pigeonholing you into a certain style. So you do have to kind of learn over time. I know, for example, I just did a vertical layout, so I know that there's 2 extra spaces when it comes to doing 8 boxes. So this will help you plan out your spreads, plan out how much extra space you may have, because obviously 12 squares and 13 squares is not the same. So if I wanted to leave a space, if I wanted to leave a space and I wanted to do 2 boxes across, then I would choose the 12 square option, and I would do 2 boxes in there instead of doing the 13 and getting to the middle so that they share a wall. I hope any of this is making sense. I really, really hope so. When I do my Horizontal layouts, I do 12 squares because I always do 3 boxes. So again, it's the same thing over and over again. I'm pretty sure you get to leave a space if I remember correctly. Yep, you get to leave a space. So sometimes it's gonna take you remembering what works for you. But that's the basic gist of this size guide. It's just to help you plan out your layouts. It's not really meant to make your layouts for you. I hope that makes sense. So I hope this stencil is helpful for you all. Please let me know if there's any other types of stencils that you've been yearning for down in the comments below. And then go ahead and click on the link in the description to sign up for the giveaway. And this stencil is included in that giveaway. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope this video is helpful. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all that kind of jazz. I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.